Hi and welcome. This video is for business owners, warehouse staff, and Odoo users who want to clearly understand how and where products should be stored inside Odoo so they are easy to find, move, and manage. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up warehouse locations step by step and picture by picture, including stock locations, aisles, and shelves, so products are stored in a logical and organized way. The focus of this video is to show how locations should be structured in Odoo and how products are placed into those locations, making it easy for anyone in the warehouse or office to know exactly where an item is stored and how to retrieve it when needed. We start from the Odoo homepage and open Settings because Putaway Rules will not work unless storage locations are enabled first. This is important because without storage locations, Odoo will only use a single stock location and will not be able to automatically place products into specific aisles or shelves. The first setting we enable is storage locations, and once this is saved, Odoo allows us to work with detailed internal locations. We also confirm that inventory routing options are enabled, so Odoo understands how products move from receiving into storage. This is required for Putaway Rules to apply during receipts. Point. After saving these settings, we open the Inventory application and go to Configuration, then Warehouses, to create our warehouse. We create a warehouse named Main, and we keep the incoming shipment flow simple so products are received cleanly without unnecessary steps. Once the warehouse is saved, Odoo automatically creates the default locations for this warehouse, including main/input, main/stock, and main/output. At this point, it is important to understand that products should not be stored in main/input or main/output because those are temporary movement locations. The actual storage location is main/stock. Next, we go to Configuration and then Locations to build the warehouse structure under main/stock. Under main/stock, we create a location named aisle1 and set its location type to internal location. This tells Odoo that aisle1 is a real physical storage area. Then, under aisle1, we create another internal location named shelf1. This results in a clear hierarchy of main stock, aisle1, shelf1, which matches how products are stored physically in the warehouse. Once these locations exist, we move on to Putaway Rules. We open Configuration and then Putaway Rules. And here we define a rule that tells Odoo where products should be placed automatically when they are received. For this test, we create a Putaway rule that assigns products to the location main/stock/aisle1/shelf1. Viewers often ask how Odoo decides where to place products, and the answer is that during receipt validation, Odoo checks Putaway rules first and uses the destination location defined in the rule. Now we test this behavior using a real transaction. We create a test product and confirm that it does not already have stock in the warehouse. Then we create a purchase order and receive the product into the main warehouse. When the receipt is validated, we do not manually choose a shelf. Instead, we let the Putaway rule work automatically. After validation, we verify inventory levels by checking the locations. The key verification step here is confirming that the product quantity appears directly in main/stock/AISL1/shelf1 and not sitting generically in main/stock. This confirms that the put-away rule is functioning correctly. Viewers often ask what happens if no put-away rule exists, and the answer is that Odoo will place the product in main/stock by default. This comparison makes it clear why put-away rules are so important. With put-away rules configured correctly, warehouse staff do not need to decide where products go. Products are always stored consistently, and anyone can easily find items by checking the exact location. This testing confirms that the warehouse structure, location hierarchy, and put-away rules are aligned and working exactly as intended in Odoo 19. To wrap this up, you've now seen how warehouse locations are structured in Odoo, how products are stored in stock, aisles, and shelves, and how testing with real receipts and internal transfers confirms that everything is working as expected. This setup is the foundation of any clean inventory system, because once locations are clear and logical, products are easy to store, easy to find, and easy to move without confusion. In upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into inventory flows between locations, including how manufacturing companies move raw materials from one location to another, how components are transferred from storage to production, how finished goods are moved back into stock, and how inventory is transferred between multiple warehouses. We'll also cover internal replenishment, inter-warehouse transfers, and real-world scenarios where inventory needs to move across companies or locations while still staying accurate in Odoo. If you want step-by-step Odoo inventory training that focuses on real business use cases and practical warehouse workflows, visit www.katylinks.com, where you'll find more videos and training designed to help you build inventory systems that actually work in day-to-day operations.